Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad X1 Carbon, and in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on your laptop. So right click on your display and select Personalize. Select background, and here you'll have 4 options for your next wallpaper. The first one is a picture, and basically that's just one image that will be displayed on your desktop. You can choose among recent images, or you can look for an image in your file explorer by selecting Browse Photos and selecting an image that you want to set as your wallpaper. And you can also choose a fit for your image by expanding this list and selecting one option. You can click on each one and select which one you like the most. The second option is a solid color. You can choose just one color to be your wallpaper. You can pick among default ones, and you can also set up a custom color by clicking View Colors right here. The third option is Slideshow, and you can select a folder from which you want the slideshow to be taken by clicking right here. You can change the frequency of images changing by clicking right here. You can shuffle pictures order in your folder, in the selected folder. And you can also switch this toggle to let slideshow run when your laptop works on battery power. And just like in the photos section, you can choose a fit for images in your slideshow folder. And the last option is the default one, which is the Windows Spotlight, simply an image to cover your background that changes every once in a while. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.